Welcome to the Philippines, a stunning mosaic of over 7,000 islands, each with its own story. From the bustling streets of Manila to the tranquil shores of El Nido, this archipelago nation pulsates with vibrant culture and captivating beauty. We'll uncover hidden gems, savor exotic flavors, and immerse ourselves in the warmth of the Filipino people. Our first stop brings us high above the clouds to Tagaytay, a city perched on a ridge overlooking the majestic Taal volcano. Sip on a cup of freshly brewed Barako coffee as you gaze out at the panoramic vista. The star of the show is undoubtedly Taal volcano, a brooding presence in the heart of Taal Lake. Take a stroll through the lush gardens, savor the flavors of bulalo, a hearty beef soup, or simply relax and soak in the serenity of your surroundings. Tagaytay is a reminder that sometimes the most breathtaking journeys lead us to places of quiet contemplation. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey to Coron, a jewel in the Calamian Islands. Don your snorkeling gear or dive into the depths to discover coral reefs bursting with color, home to an array of marine creatures. Towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from the turquoise waters, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Kayak through hidden lagoons, their waters reflecting the emerald hues of the surrounding vegetation. Coron is a testament to the power of nature, a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the moment. Prepare to be captivated by the surreal beauty of the Chocolate Hills, a geological marvel that has baffled and enchanted visitors for centuries. Imagine over 1,200 perfectly formed, grass-covered hills, spread out like giant Hershey's kisses across the landscape. Climb to the top of one of the viewing decks and let your gaze sweep across the endless expanse. The Chocolate Hills are a reminder that nature is the ultimate artist, capable of creating masterpieces that defy explanation. Venture into the heart of Palawan, an island often referred to as the last frontier, and discover Puerto Princesa, a city that seamlessly blends urban life with untamed wilderness. Our destination, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Board a small boat and embark on a journey through an underground realm. As you glide along the silent river, marvel at the intricate formations of stalactites and stalagmites, sculpted over millennia by the slow drip of water. Puerto Princesa's underground river is a testament to the hidden wonders that lie beneath the surface, waiting to be explored. Our final destination takes us to the shores of Boracay, an island renowned for its powdery white sand beaches and vibrant energy. Spend your days swimming in crystal-clear waters, trying your hand at kite surfing, or simply basking in the sun. As the sun begins its descent, the beach transforms into a lively hub of activity. Fire dancers twirl flaming batons, their movements reflected in the eyes of mesmerized onlookers. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of the legendary Boracay nightlife, this island paradise has something to offer everyone. From the verdant rice terraces of Banaue to the bustling markets of Cebu, the Philippines is a country that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. The Philippines is a tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and experiences, waiting to be discovered. It's a place where ancient traditions meet modern influences, where the people welcome you with open arms and warm smiles. Book your adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime.